Humanoid robots are entering the real world and China is leading the way. From small education bots to full-scale industrial machines, these robots are already being used today. Let's take a look at the top 10 humanoid robots from China you can actually buy or deploy right now. We begin with Unitree G1, one of the most accessible and impressive humanoid robots currently available. Standing at 1.32 meters tall and weighing around 35 kilograms, the G1 offers between 41 and 43 degrees of freedom. Despite its relatively affordable price of approximately $13,500, it delivers capabilities that were once limited to high-end research platforms. The robot supports dynamic walking, stable balancing, and coordinated full-body motion, including squatting, turning, and recovering from minor disturbances. It is equipped with multi-fingered hands, enabling precise manipulation tasks such as handling tools, pressing buttons, or picking up delicate objects. The control system combines force and position control to replicate human-like motion. Its AI stack includes imitation learning and reinforcement learning, allowing continuous improvements in performance and adaptation to new tasks. The G1 also supports secondary development through SDK access, making it highly customizable for researchers and developers. It includes onboard processing for real-time decision-making and supports external sensor expansion. Battery life is around 4 hours, and its modular design ensures future scalability. Next is the Humanoid from Leju Robots, designed specifically for service environments such as hotels, malls, and exhibitions. This robot stands approximately 1.5 meters tall and weighs about 45 kilograms, providing a human-like presence for interaction. It features around 30 degrees of freedom, enabling smooth gestures, hand movements, and head tracking. Equipped with a touchscreen interface, voice recognition, and navigation sensors, it can greet visitors, provide directions, and respond to frequently asked questions. It integrates with back-end systems to access booking or directory information, making it useful in real-world service operations. Navigation is handled through LiDAR and ultrasonic sensors, ensuring obstacle avoidance and smooth movement even in crowded environments. The robot can carry light objects such as brochures or trays, and it can guide customers to specific destinations within a building. It also supports multilingual interaction, making it suitable for international environments. With a price range between $15,000 and $20,000, it offers a balanced solution for businesses aiming to improve customer engagement and operational efficiency. The Noetix Bumi represents a mid-range humanoid design for research institutions and light industrial use. Standing at around 1.6 meters and weighing approximately 55 kilograms, it offers 36 degrees of freedom. Each arm can handle payloads of up to 8 kilograms, allowing it to perform structured manipulation tasks such as picking, placing, and assembling components. Its modular design allows users to attach specialized grippers, sensors, or cameras depending on the application. It includes stereo vision systems for depth perception and tactile sensors for improved object handling accuracy. The robot runs on systems compatible with Python and ROS, making it highly accessible for developers and robotics engineers. It is widely used for experiments in artificial intelligence, robotics control systems, and human-robot interaction. Additional features include programmable joint trajections, simulation compatibility, and remote operation capabilities. Battery life is about 3 hours, and hot swappable batteries allow extended usage without interruption, which is especially useful in lab environments. EngineAI's PM01, on the other hand, is a lightweight humanoid focused on achieving natural and flexible movement. It stands at only 1.38 meters tall and weighs around 40 kilograms, with 23 degrees of freedom. A key feature is its 320-degree waist rotation, which enables a wide range of motion not typically seen in humanoid robots. The PM01 uses neural network-based locomotion trained on motion capture data, resulting in smooth and human-like walking patterns. It's equipped with depth cameras, microphone arrays, and onboard processors such as Intel N97 and NVIDIA Jetson models for real-time perception and processing. The robot supports open-source development, allowing researchers to modify locomotion algorithms and integrate custom AI models. It is commonly used in motion research, robotics demonstrations, and AI models training environments. The system also supports remote monitoring and data logging for performance analysts. Battery life extends up to 4 hours, and fast charging ensures minimal downtime during experiments. UBTECH Walker S2 represents industrial-grade humanoid robotics design for factory environments. Standing 1.7 meters tall and weighing about 76 kilograms, it offers more than 40 degrees of freedom. Each arm can carry loads of up to 15 kilograms while maintaining balance and stability during movement. The robot integrates advanced AI capabilities, including large language model-based task planning for executing multi-step workflows without constant human input. Its navigation combines visual SLAM with semantic perception, allowing it to understand and adapt to dynamic industrial environments. Walker S2 is already deployed in manufacturing settings, performing tasks such as inspection, sorting, assembly, and material handling. It supports integration with factory management systems, enabling coordinated workflows across multiple machines. The robot includes multimodal sensors such as cameras, force sensors, and IMUs for precise control and safety. With a price range of $60,000 to $80,000, it's built for continuous high-efficiency operation. Battery life is up to 8 hours, with support for rapid charging and shift-based usage. Next up is Fourier Intelligence, and their GR1 is designed for rehabilitation and healthcare applications. It stands 1.65 meters tall, weighs about 55 kilograms, and features 40 degrees of freedom. The robot assists patients in mobility training and therapy sessions by replicating human walking patterns with high precision. It includes advanced joint control system, smooth gait generation, and safety mechanisms such as fall detection and emergency stops. The GR1 can be integrated with exoskeletons and medical monitoring devices, making it highly useful in clinical environments. It is also used in research related to biomechanics, rehabilitation science, and human motion analysis. The robot supports programmable therapy routines, allowing therapists to customize sessions based on patient needs. It also records movement data for tracking recovery progress over time. Battery life is approximately 5 hours, enabling extended therapy sessions. With a price range of $50,000 to $70,000, it is a specialized system focused on improving healthcare outcomes. Agibot humanoid robots are built for logistic and warehouse automation, where efficiency and consistency are critical. These robots stand around 1.7 meters tall, weigh approximately 70 kilograms, and offer 42 degrees of freedom. Each arm can lift up to 20 kilograms, making them suitable for handling packages, boxes, and inventory items. They're equipped with tactile sensors and reinforced learning algorithms, enabling them to adapt to unstructured and changing environments. Tasks include sorting packages, stacking boxes, loading items, and assisting with inventory tracking. Integration with autonomous guided vehicles allows coordinated workflows within warehouses. Additional features include real-time object recognition, path planning, and task scheduling systems. Battery life is about 6 hours, and fast recharging reduces downtime. With a price range of $40,000 to $60,000, they provide a scalable and efficient solution for logistics operation. Next up is the UBTECH Alpha Mini, and it is a compact humanoid designed for education and home use. Standing just 28 centimeters tall and weighing around 1.2 kilograms, it features 14 degrees of freedom. It supports voice interaction, facial recognition, gesture control, making it easy for use for beginners and students. The robot includes a visual programming interface, allowing users to learn coding concepts through interactive tasks. It can tell stories, answer basic questions, perform dance routines, and even simulate simple conversation. A built-in camera allows real-time monitoring and interactive lessons, while Wi-Fi connectivity enables integration with digital learning platforms. It also supports mobile app control, allowing users to customize behaviors and routines. With a price range of $500 to $800, it is one of the most affordable humanoid robots available. Battery life is up to 2 hours, with quick charging for repeated sessions, making it ideal for classrooms and home learning environments. The Unitree H2 builds on the capabilities of the G1, offering greater strength, stability, and processing power. It stands 1.65 meters tall, weighs around 55 kilograms, and features more than 45 degrees of freedom. Each arm can lift up to 20 kilograms, making it suitable for more demanding manipulation tasks. The robot includes advanced sensors such as stereo vision systems, tactile feedback mechanism, and inertial measurement units for precise balance and navigation. It supports adaptive control systems that allow operation in dynamic and unpredictable environments. The H2 is designed for research, development, and industrial testing, offering flexibility for different use cases. It also supports integration with AI framework and cloud-based systems for data analysis. Battery life is approximately 5 hours, and fast charging ensures minimal downtime. Priced between $25,000 and $35,000, it offers a strong balance between cost and performance. Finally, there's the Unitree H1, and it represents the high end of the humanoid robotics in China. Standing 1.75 meters tall and weighing around 60 kilograms, it offers more than 50 degrees of freedom. Each arm can lift up to 25 kilograms, supported by high-torque actuators for powerful and precise movement. The robot demonstrates advanced capabilities such as dynamic walking, balance recovery, resistance to external forces, and complex manipulation tasks. It integrates reinforcement learning and advanced AI systems, allowing it to adapt to a wide range of environments and tasks. Additional features include advanced cooling systems, high-speed joint response, and robust structural design for continued operation in demanding conditions. The H1 is used in industrial automation and advanced research and embodied intelligence. With a price range of $90,000 to $100,000, it represents the cutting edge of humanoid robotics currently available. Battery life is around 6 hours, and it is designed for sustained high-performance use. From compact assistants like Alpha Mini to advanced industrial machines like the Unitree H1, China's humanoid robots cover education, hospitality, healthcare, logistics, and manufacturing. Each model serves a distinct purpose, reflecting the rapid diversification of humanoid robots, as these robots signal a future where humanoids are integrated into everyday life.